mean,
Okay.
it's hard to see us. It's nighttime. And what does that sign say up there?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Let's go do it. Oh, it's a 5-minute wait.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Oh, it's darker. Yo, ho, yo, ho, hey, there's a cannon. Oh,
Thank you.
hey, we're good to go. Merry Christmas. Police,
What?
we're on Pirates.
Yes, we are.
The boat is coming up right now. Here we go. That's not our boat.
No.
Our boat sank. Our boat sank.
No.
Oh no. Oh, here's our boat.
It gets wet.
Let's stay in the center then.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch your children. And no flash pictures. Prepare to make sail.
Here we go. That's not helping.
I'll give you 20 for the rod. Put down, you leather-livered lover. Strike your feathers, dearie. Show up your flock.
Hey, send them hens to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
For sake reconcile. Hold on. I'm real to say
Please gather your treasure. Thank you.
Oh, you got the wet buttocks.
Yes.
My
Red hand and with buttocks.
wife has got the wet buttocks.
Yes, I do.
What'd you think of that?
2 thumbs up. It was awesome. Right, Ryan? I want to do it again.